Look at your body. Maybe you've lost weight. Maybe your clothes fit better. Maybe the scale is going down. But your face, still puffy, still soft, still hiding your jawline. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Most people don't actually have face fat. They're making mistakes that keep their face bloated. And mistake number 5, it's destroying your facial definition every single day. Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you exactly what's keeping your face fat and how to fix it for good. Before we start, understand this. Your face is extremely sensitive to hormones, water retention, inflammation, sleep quality. That's why 2 people at the same body fat percentage can have completely different faces. And if you fix these 5 mistakes, your face can change way faster than you think. Let's start with the first one. Mistake number 1, you're not sleeping enough. If you sleep less than 6 to 7 hours consistently, your cortisol goes up. When cortisol rises, you retain more water, your face looks puffier, your jawline disappears. Studies show sleep deprivation increases fluid retention and inflammation. You could be dieting perfectly, but if your sleep is trash, your face will look swollen. Fix it. 7 to 9 hours, same sleep schedule, dark room, no phone before bed. Simple, powerful. But this next mistake is even worse. Mistake number 2, too much sodium. Salt itself isn't evil, but most people combine high sodium, low potassium, low water intake. That combo equals facial bloating. When sodium is high, your body holds water to balance it. And guess where that water shows first? Your face. Fix it. Drink 2.5 to 3 liters of water daily. Increase potassium, bananas, potatoes, yogurt. Stop eating ultra-processed junk. But even if you fix this, if you're making mistake number 3, your face will stay soft. Mistake number 3, chronic stress. This one is silent and almost nobody talks about it. Chronic stress equals chronically high cortisol, and high cortisol does 2 things. Increases water retention, encourages fat storage around the face and neck. There's actual research linking cortisol spikes to facial puffiness. If you're overthinking constantly, sleeping stressed, always anxious, your face shows it. Fix it. Lift weights, walk daily, sunlight exposure, 10 minutes of breathing before sleep. Your face reflects your nervous system, and this next mistake might shock you. Mistake number 4, crash dieting. You cut calories too aggressively. What happens? Your body panics. It increases stress hormones, slows metabolism, retains water. Ironically, extreme dieting can make your face look worse. You look flat, but still puffy. Fix it. Moderate calorie deficit, high protein, strength training. Slow fat loss equals sharper face. Now the final mistake. This is the one most guys ignore. Mistake number 5. You're not lean enough yet. Hard truth. Face fat is usually the last to go. Genetics decide where you lose fat first. Some lose it in the stomach, some in the arms, some in the face last. If you're above 15 to 18% body fat, your jawline might still be hidden. No hack, no cream, no face exercises. Just lower overall body fat gradually. But remember, if you combine good sleep, low stress, balanced sodium, proper dieting, your face can change dramatically in weeks. Remember, your face isn't the problem, your habits are. Fix your sleep, lower your stress, balance your diet. Do that for 30 days and your jawline will start showing itself. But if you really want to upgrade your presence, don't stop at your face. Watch my deep voice video next, because a sharp face gets attention, but a powerful voice keeps it. And if you want the full step-by-step guide to losing face fat fast, check out my face fat quick video right here. Fix the face, fix the voice, build the presence. Like the video, subscribe to PowerCore. I'll see you in the next one.